Okay, we're gonna do a few tricks with Oscar. Hang on, first things first. Hey Duke! Back up. Back up. Come on, back up. Do you want this treat? Do you see it? Do you see the treat? Do you want this treat? Back up. Back up some more. Not you, Oscar. You don't back up. Back up. Back up some more. Back up some more. Back up some more. Ready? Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Oh, you didn't even try. Bad catch. Okay, Oscar. Roll over. Or lay down. Roll over. Dead dog. Get up. Up. High five. Not your face. High five. I don't want your face. There you go. Paw. Paw. Good job. Beg. Up. Okay, this is the trick that we've been working on lately. No, come closer. Hold it. You got to wait. Hold it. Hold it. Get it. Good boy. And that's all his tricks that he knows so far. Really cute.